Welcome back to Great Day KC. If you're struggling with your gut health, consider the foods that you eat.
That is correct. Let's go over to Adriana in our Price Chopper kitchen, who has details on meals that are packed with flavor and more beneficial to your health.
A healthy body starts with a healthy gut, and supporting your gut is actually pretty easy. Here with us to share how to eat for a good tummy is Bethany Frazier, Price Chopper Dietitian. Welcome, Bethany.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Welcome back. So why should people care about making gut healthy recipes?
Well, I think it's not as hard as it might be expected. People come to me all the time and they say, oh, should I worry about gut health, and how do I do it? Because it seems too daunting. So we're going to make it pretty simple today.
Okay.
We're actually going to make a potato salad, which might be a little shocking to hear that that is actually really gut friendly.
Okay.
So potato salad in any starch that's been cooked and cooled and not reheated is called resistant starch.
Okay.
Which means that it resists digestion and it's good for feeding the gut bacteria.
Interesting.
Yeah, so you never knew that potatoes could be super healthy for you.
I didn't know that, but I'm so glad that they are, because I love potatoes.
I know, me too. So with our potato salad, that's an easy way to add in a little bit of extra gut healthy nutrition. So we're gonna add our potato salad. I already roasted these potatoes. I'm gonna let you help me, or I already boiled them. We're gonna add them to our bowl. And then we also add probiotics. Probiotics is a great way of adding, a lot of people are taking pills for probiotics, but you could actually get a lot of it in your food. So we're gonna add yogurt, like where you might traditionally add mayonnaise.
Is this
That's the yogurt.
So just dump it in?
Yes. So probiotic benefits you're getting from yogurt, and also a little bit of protein.
Got it.
And then for the taste that a lot of us like, which is the mayonnaise, you could do this also in a chicken salad or other places you might use mayonnaise. Use half Greek yogurt, half mayonnaise. You get lots of those probiotics. You could also get probiotics from things like kefir or kombucha, easy ways to add in, and also from apple cider vinegar, which is part of our dressing on this.
Okay, wait, what do I start with?
So add the apple cider vinegar in. Yep, so apple cider vinegar, as long as it's raw and unfiltered, is also going to provide a probiotic benefit.
Great.
And so then we're going to add a little bit of prebiotic fiber, which is shallots. So shallots also help feed the good gut bacteria, along with other things like onions and garlic, asparagus, all those good nutrients. So really making sure you have a wide variety of foods is a great tip for having gut health.
Very cool.
And then we're going to add in a little bit of ground mustard and dill. So this is a dill potato salad.
Fun. Okay.
We're going to mix it all up.
I'm going to let you do the mixing.
Okay. You're not trusting your skills?
No.
It's not too bad.
All right. I feel like I do see the finished product in front of us.
Yes.
I wonder if I can try some of that.
Sure. Let's get you to try a little bit of it.
Awesome. Okay. So this is what it looks like. This is a beautiful presentation, by the way. Okay, let me try this. Wow.
Lots of flavor, isn't it?
Lots of flavor.
I know, great for like picnics, or if you're thinking towards a little bit warmer weather and being able to sit outside with family. A potato salad's an easy fix.
So let's talk about other probiotic foods that people can cook with.
Yep. So you can always, if you're looking for a dairy-free option, you can do sauerkraut. You can do kefir is not dairy-free, but you can do all your dairy-free yogurts as long as they have active culture in them. You can use that as well.
There is a kick to this. Is that from the dill?
It's from the dill. Yep.
Wow.
I know, isn't that so fun? And then you get a little bit of the zest that comes from the yogurt as well.
This is packed with flavor, guys.